Hi guys, I'm Prashanthi and you're watching Cook with Prashanthi. Today I'm here with soya peas pulao recipe. I hope you will like this recipe. For making this I am taking 1.5 cup of basmati rice and I will be rinsing it with water 3 times till the water is clear. And now I will be adding more water or filtered water for soaking the rice and keep it aside. Now in a vessel I am boiling 1.5 glass of water. Once the water is rolling boiling, at that stage I will be adding half teaspoon of salt and half cup of soya chunks and let it cook for 2 minutes and turn off the flame. After that I will close the lid for 1 minute and remove the soya chunks from the water into a bowl and add cold water and squeeze out the water and keep it aside. Now I am chopping 2 medium sized onions and 3 green chillies and taking a big vessel for preparing the pulao. I will be adding 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of clarified butter over a stove on medium flame, and once the oil and clarified butter is heated I will be adding 4 cloves, 1 inch cinnamon stick and 1 bay leaf and saute for 30 seconds. Later I will be adding onions and green chillies and saute for 5 minutes. Once the onions are translucent, I will cook for another 1 to 2 minutes and I will be adding mint leaves and ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon and 15 mint leaves and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. Later I will be adding half teaspoon of salt, half cup of peas and half cup of the cooked soya chunks and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes, and I will be adding the rice which I have kept for soaking by draining the water, and I will saute for 1 to 2 minutes and I will be adding 3 cups of water for this recipe. It means double. I am taking 1.5 cup of rice and 3 cups of water, and I will be closing the lid once the water comes to a boil and cook it as a regular rice and turn off the flame. Do not immediately open the lid. Let it rest for 15 minutes before opening the lid, and our soya peas pulao is ready to be served. I hope you like this recipe. If yes, do let me know in the comment section below and also hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you are already a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye. And thank you for watching till the end.